Ride inside, stay alive.
Hello everyone. Train floors and station platforms may be slippery today. Be careful as you get on or off the car, or as you take the stairs.
Hello everyone. The New York City Police Department would like to remind you to keep your belongings in sight